Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful tutorial: how to connect your Exness account to TradingView in 2025. If you're a trader looking to level up your charting game, this integration is a game changer. It lets you execute trades directly from TradingView's powerful charts, saving you time and helping you make smarter decisions on the go. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exness and TradingView. If you don't, head over to their websites and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, open TradingView on your browser or app. Navigate to the More menu, then select Brokerage Exchange Connections. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for Exness in the list of available brokers. If it's not there, you might need to add it manually by going to the Add Connection option. Now, you'll need your Exness API keys. Don't worry if you haven't generated them yet. Log into your Exness dashboard, go to the API section, and create a new key. Copy that key carefully and paste it into the TradingView connection prompt. After entering your API details, hit Authorize or Connect. TradingView will verify the connection, which might take a minute. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. To test it out, pull up a chart for your favorite asset and check if you can place orders directly from there. One quick tip: if you run into any errors, double-check your API permissions in Exness or ensure your accounts are in good standing. This setup works seamlessly in 2025 with the latest updates, but always keep your apps updated for the best experience. There you have it. You're now connected and ready to trade like a pro. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's crush those markets together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.